Welcome to the Barndo 1600. 2. A spacious and beautifully designed modern home that merges the industrial aesthetic with residential comfort. Set against a backdrop of vibrant greenery, this home embodies a fresh approach to contemporary living. This 3,200 square foot home opens into an expansive great room that anchors the living space, featuring high ceilings and large windows that flood the area with natural light. The open floor plan ensures that each living area from the kitchen to the dining room is both accessible and visually connected, perfect for modern lifestyles. Completing the home is a vast 1,600 square foot garage, providing abundant space for vehicles, hobbies, or additional storage. Your purchase includes detailed floor plans, elevations, general notes, and more, all adhering to the Florida Building Code. And if you wish to add personal touches, customization is available for an additional fee, ensuring that your new home is as unique as your dreams. Plans come ready for permitting, signed and sealed by a licensed professional engineer.